Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Dynamics 365 from Microsoft. So if you don't know what this is basically an ERP, and right here we have here on their website. So let's see their plans. So they have a lot of plans right here. So for Business Central, Sales, Customer Insights, Customer Service, Contact Center, Field Service, Supply Chain Management, Finance, and Project Operations. So they have license resources here to take the next step, and you can also request a callback. So they have a specialist contact you. Now, if you're wondering if this is any good, I found a post on Reddit saying that to anyone considering switching to D365, which is Dynamics 365, don't. It's the single worst ERP I've ever had the displeasure to work with. I despise every single aspect of this over-designed, slow, unfinished showcase of MS incompetence. So, number one, we run BC. It was set up by a third-party company and an average IQ of 52. It is beyond terrible to work with. It should never have been made as a browser application. It is clearly not made for public usage. Old C5 with lack of lackluster native DB was better in most and almost every aspect. So let's head over down to the comments here. So and this person said, I work as a software tester and I have to work with this app. It's absolutely god awful and slow. I wrote an automated test for it using Easy Pro. As a result, I will actively reject any job asking me to work with those systems moving forward. I've never felt like tossing my laptop out the window as much as I do while working in BC. Completely bad. And terrible system. Can't even work out simple calcs without doing UOM conversions on every SKU. Give me a pen and paper. This ERP system is really bad or worse. The warehouse production modules are the worst I've seen. Its reliance on Power BI is too much. Make reports slow because it can't make its own. Sadly, Microsoft hasn't said anything about it. Better stay away. And basically, a lot of people are saying do not use this app since it's really bad. So that is basically it. So you should try or use other ERPs for your business. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.